Let's go skiing.
Let's go snowboarding.
Oh no, help me!
Oh my god, I'm coming to help you.
What happened?
She fell and her hand was seriously injured. Rescue service. Rescue service. One person is injured. We are at the top of the mountain. Hurry up. Please. Over. Please hurry up.
Just slowly. Everything is fine, don't worry. Let's go to the rescue helicopter.
Slowly, slowly, the patient's condition is stable. Tell the hospital that we are coming very soon. Ready to start engine. Start the engine. Okay, all clear. Ready. 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 Okay pilot, I am ready. Ready to take off. Take off approved for hospital. Goodbye kids. Be careful when skiing. Bye bye.